Wiring of manual alarm button with telephone jack. This is a manual alarm button with a telephone jack. Open it. There are two sets of wiring terminals inside. The left one is the signal wire, and the right set is the telephone line. It showed 1、2 L1、L2、3、4 PL1、PL2. There is a circular socket under the pull button. It is for plug in the phone handle. Simply plug in the phone handle and you can directly call the fire telephone host. These two telephone lines are connected from the fire control unit. Open the fire control system. T+T on the telephone terminal is connected to the telephone line on pull button. When a fire is discovered, take out the telephone handle from the fire hydrant cabinet. Plug in the pull button which is with telephone. It directly calls the fire call center. The fire center picked up the phone handle to talk. This phone handle does not have an address code. It can be used with any pull button with telephone. The pull button has an address. When pulling the button to trigger an alarm, the alarm host can check the specific location